As we close out summer, anticipations run high for the Pixel Watch 2, set to arrive sometime in the last quarter of the year. While the Pixel Watch was a great device, it had its shortcomings, like not offering great value and having lackluster battery life. But its successor could really turn things around, and despite hearing nothing officially from the folks at Google, over the past few months, we've been getting a steady stream of information revealing its specifications and other details, which, if all comes true, could make it this year's best smartwatch. Now, the Pixel Watch 2 has been spotted on a Google Play console listing, providing credence to the specifications leaked earlier this month. Google is yet to publicly confirm that its first smartwatch is getting a sequel at all. But this morning, as reported by 9to5 Google, a smartwatch under codename EOS showed up in an official Android developer resource, seemingly confirming a number of high-level details about the wearable's hardware and software. There are no bombshell revelations here, but given the source on this info is Google itself, it's the most credible information about the Pixel Watch 2 we've seen so far. Under its codename EOS, the Pixel Watch 2 appeared today in the Google Play Console device catalog, an official resource for Android developers that provides insight about which devices their apps are compatible with. The listing doesn't contain any particularly juicy new info, mostly confirming details we've heard in prior leaks. According to the device catalog entry, the Pixel Watch 2 will come with Android 13-based Wear OS 4, 2 GB of RAM, and a Qualcomm SW5100 chipset, likely the Snapdragon W5 Gen 1. As far as screen size, this isn't available in the listing, but the screen resolution of the new watch will come in at 384 by 384 with 320 pixels per inches. While things are looking good, there's already tough competition with the recent release of Samsung's Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, which already sits at the top as one of the best smartwatches of 2023. 9to5 notes that the display will likely be made by Samsung, though, which should represent an upgrade in quality over the original's BOE manufactured panel. We've been expecting to see the Pixel Watch 2 make its first official appearance at a Google event alongside the Pixel 8 series this fall. This new development doesn't outright confirm that suspicion, but evidence is definitely mounting. At this rate, we could start seeing official Pixel Watch 2 teasers anytime now. So, what are your expectations from upcoming Pixel Watch? Share your valuable thoughts below in the comments section. And for more Pixel updates, you can check out our channel. See you in the next